Everyone. Today we're diving into something super cool electricity. It's all around us in lights, fans, computers, and even your TV. Let's break it down into 10 easy parts. Everything is made of tiny particles. Some have electric charge. There are two types of charge, positive and negative. Just like magnets, opposite charges attract and like charges repel. When charges start moving, we get electric current. Think of it like water flowing in a pipe, but instead, it's charges flowing in a wire. We measure current in amperes, or amps for short. Current flows from the positive to the negative end of a battery. Electric potential is like how high water is in a tank. The higher the potential, the more energy the charges have. When charges move from high to low potential, they create current. The difference between two potentials is called potential difference or voltage. We measure it in volts. Ohm's law tells us how current, voltage, and resistance are related. It says V equals IXR. That means voltage equals current times resistance. We can even check this using a simple circuit with a bulb, battery, and a wire. Resistance is like a traffic jam for electric charges. It slows down the current. We measure resistance in ohms. What changes resistance? The length of the wire. Longer wire yields more resistance. The thickness of the wire. Thicker wire yields less resistance. The material of the wire and temperature. Hot wires have more resistance. Some materials naturally resist more. Resistivity is the material's own resistance power, and it's measured in ohm meters. When charges move, they bump into atoms inside the wire. These tiny bumps cause resistance. Conductors like copper let electricity flow easily. Insulators like rubber don't let it flow. Alloys like nichrome are in between and used in heaters. Tungsten is a special metal. It gets very hot and glows without melting. That's why we use it in the filament of light bulbs. And that's a wrap. Electricity is amazing. And now you know how it works, from charges to bulbs.